Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to follow the some procedure for writing the practical exam. I want to share with you few tips belongs to the practical exam, and one more thing we want to discuss about the what is the scheme of valuation of that practical exam, that too which subject, physics practical exam. Look here. See, many people are having so much of confusion and they are having so much of tension while going to the practical exam. Theoretical, you know that from many years onwards you are writing and all this, but first time you are writing the practical exam. So don't worry about it, don't think too much, just you follow whatever I am saying to you. Look here. First of all, the main thing is you should carry the hall ticket and you should carry the record. Okay, if you are not carrying the record, you are losing how many marks? 4 marks. So don't forget this. You should carry the hall ticket along with record and one geometry box. Any drawing experiment, we must use that one. When you are reaching to the examination hall, they are calling you roll number. Roll number means you think that roll number you are thinking, but they are calling you as a hall ticket number. Once you are entering into the room, you should submit the record. Then the main thing is, many people they don't know about this, how they are allotting the question number. See, Vernier calipers, Boyle's law, that one, this one, you know that many physics practicals are there. But the main thing is which question you are getting. Look here. Like this, mostly each batch 20 members are there. They are taking the slips. And inside they are giving some numbers also. If you got the question number on the table, they are placing these chits. Who are there, how many are there in that particular batch. If you are getting question number 6, that is the simple pendulum experiment to find out the acceleration due to gravity at a given place. So clearly based on the question number, they will provide one question paper, particular question only you have to do that particular experiment. Don't do 3, 4 like that experiment. Entire 3 hours we are using. If you got the question number 6, you can do only simple pendulum experiment. If you got question number 1, you can do only Vernier calipers experiment. So they will write which question you got it also. So don't worry about it. Whatever the question you are getting, just you take out the slip and they will look and they note down this. Later particular question only you should copy from the question paper. Then how you will get the marks? After writing the practical exam, then how to write the exam and which procedure you have to follow that. Later I want to say with you what is the scheme of valuation also. Once you are taking the paper, you write the hall ticket number, that is must. Then you can go through the, first you read what is the question. Is it Vernier calipers? Is it Boyle's law? Is it simple pendulum? Is it focal length? Is it velocity of sound? Any one only you are getting. So after looking that, copying the question, just you relax 2 minutes. Nothing will happen because you are having 3 hours time. Then you can, if you are in your paper, if you are writing that, see, formula. Suppose to find the acceleration due to gravity at a given place, what is that? G equals to 4 pi square into L by T square. This is the formula. I will get the 2 marks like that, don't think. After writing the formula, you can say down you should write it. What is G? G is the acceleration due to gravity. L is the length of the pendulum. T is the time period. 4 pi is the constant. So you should explain the terms. For that, how many marks you are getting? That is the 2 marks. Suppose it is volume of the sphere. Question number 1. Find the volume of the sphere with the help of the Vernier calipers. So what you will do? Just you can write the formula for V equals to 4/3 pi r cube. V is the volume of the sphere, R is the radius. Only 2 terms are there. So if you are writing the formula, then you can say about the terms, you will get how many marks? 2 marks. Just you think, if you are writing the formula, you will get 2 marks. In your pocket 2 marks are there. Then come to next thing. Then immediately you can go through the tabular form procedure. After formula you should write it procedure. Suppose Vernier calipers is there. How to write the procedure? Sometimes you are not getting exactly what is that. You can write your own words. Means don't write the stories. This is the Vernier calipers. It is having the 4 jars. It is used to measure the diameter of the bob. From that you can find out the radius. Like that, whatever you did, this is experiment. No, about the experiment only you should write it. For that also you will get the 3 marks. No need of by hearting. Whatever you know about that experiment, how you did during that, you can write it. You will get how many marks for procedure? 3 marks. So 2 plus 3 formula for procedure, you are getting the 5 marks. Then our next step is we have to draw the empty tabular form. Empty tabular form. Generally, empty tabular form we have to show to the examiner. After that, you should receive the instrument. Don't wait for the instrument beginning. After writing the formula, procedure, empty tabular form, then you should go through the precautions also. So, look here, after empty tabular form, you write the precautions, then you can go and once you show the paper to examiner. After initial signature, they will provide the instrument to you. Then you can start the experiment. Finally, you are utilizing 3 hours, 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 45 minutes, whatever it is, you submit the paper. Before submit the paper, you check it whether you have written the formula. You will get 2 marks. If you are writing procedure, you will get the 3 marks. Then tabular form with observations means readings, down observations and graphs. Not only model graphs, they will provide the graph sheet. If they are not giving also, you ask and you can take it. Draw the graph, because if you are not drawing that, you are losing how many marks? 2 marks you are losing. So you should check it. Formula, procedure, 5 marks over. Tabular form with readings. If any graph is there, vernier calipers and screw gauge, there is no graph. But simple pendulum, focal length, that other experiments, your Ohm's law, these are having the graphs. So if the graph is there, you must draw the graph also. If you are not drawing particular experiment graph, you are losing how many marks? 2 marks. And one more thing you should observe, that in this question only draw the graph. If they are asking, you can draw that. If they are not asking about the graph, no need of drawing that one. So this is for how many marks? Tabular form, observations. Observations means don't think too much. These are nothing but readings. And down whatever that mean of that one, then all belongs to that least count belongs to observations. If graph is there, that is for 2 marks. If there is no graph, only for these two, they are giving how many marks? 8 marks. Then our next thing is very interesting. That is the precautions. Okay, so precautions, no, sometimes it is not striking what we should write it. You should write it without parallax error. We should measure the readings. Okay, and one more thing, we can follow the experiment techniques. Like that 2 you don't write, at least 3 you should write it. Because for any one is wrong, no, you will get 1 more mark from the third one. So don't lose the marks in precautions. It's very interesting. Almost few experiments, no, suppose like Ohm's law is there. Don't arrange the tangent galvanometer properly. Suppose prism experiment is there, concurrent experiment is there. What we are writing? Don't disturb the drawing board during the experiment. Okay, and without parallax error, we should measure the readings. Like that, you should write your whatever the caring you are taking about that experiment, you can write it. But how many marks carries for precautions? This is for 2 marks. Then our next thing is calculations. These days, many very important persons are there, like students. They are having carrying the calculator. They are using in that lab. No, you never use the calculator during the lab. So with hand only, you should do the calculations. For that hard work, you are getting how many marks? You are getting for calculations 4 marks. You are getting 4 marks. What are that calculations? Suppose diameter of the bob is there. Last column total. Add that 5 readings by 5. That is divisions, multiplications belongs to that calculation. So whatever you are doing, they are providing nice answer script and space is also sufficient. Whatever the calculations, you can use 1 paper, 2 paper. For that hard work, you will get how much? And don't feel it is rough work and don't put that is rough work. Simply you put that heading is a calculation. For calculation, you are getting how many marks? You are getting the 4 marks. Then last thing, find the volume of the sphere. Many people, they can write it 3.4. If you are writing 3.4, you will get 1 mark only. Why you are not getting 2 marks? We must write the unit. Result is for 1 mark and 1 more is for unit. Result plus unit only, they will allot the how many marks? 2 marks. Then viva voce. 5 marks. Don't panic at that moment. Whatever that you know or not, you try to express the subject. This viva was, they can ask, either belongs to experiment or subject knowledge from inter first year and second year, whatever that based on the examiner. Don't be panic, and you will be like, you are having confidence. I know the subject and all this. So you will get few marks at least, not getting 5 marks also. Okay, then our last thing is the record marks. Record, inside the record you must place the prism papers, magnetic lines of force of papers, and that concurrent force. These three are representing whether you went to the lab or not. Got the clarity? So for that record, what is the marks? What are the marks allotment? Are there 4 marks? So total formula plus procedure is for 5 marks, tabular form, observations plus graph is the 8 marks. The next one is the precautions 2 marks, calculation 4 marks, and result plus unit is the 2 marks. These two are depending on the your record 4 marks, and next thing is the 5 marks is the viva. So total how many marks? 30 marks. So please follow this procedure. My tip is daily you should learn, only 14 experiments are there. Daily you should learn formula. Then you can read precaution, daily one tabular form you should by heart, easily you will get the marks. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. If you want that practicals, detailed explanation about the concurrent forces, prism, vernier calipers, screw gauge, you follow the videos from the playlist of intermediate practicals. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.